Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Bahia Principe in Runaway Bay. Now this is the largest hotel in Jamaica, over 1,350 rooms. Now the hotel's management announced recently that the hotel will be closing. They will actually be closing both hotels that they operate in Jamaica. And this is because of the damage sustained from Hurricane Melissa. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The sudden closure of the Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica and Bahia Principe Luxury Runaway Bay hotels marks one of the most significant disruptions to Jamaica's tourism sector since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. Long regarded as two of the largest and most reliable all-inclusive resorts on the island's north coast, the hotels each serve thousands of visitors annually and provided employment for a vast number of Jamaicans. Their shutdown, triggered by severe damage from Hurricane Melissa and compounded by a pre-planned renovation schedule, has created a moment of both crisis and transition for the nation's hospitality landscape. Hurricane Melissa, which made landfall on October 28, 2025, delivered a level of coastal destruction not seen in recent memory. At Bahia Principe, storm surge, wind damage, and partial structural failures forced management to order a complete shutdown of both properties. Engineers later confirmed that the scale of the damage required extensive reconstruction, not merely repair. The Grand Jamaica Hotel, the larger of the two, will remain closed until December 2026, while a luxury Runaway Bayside is projected to reopen in February 2026. Technically, these renovations were already on the horizon, but the hurricane advanced their timeline, magnified their scale, and introduced an unexpected humanitarian issue: the fate of the workers. Ultimately, the temporary closure of the Bahia Principe hotels is a moment of upheaval, but also one of opportunities. Workers face real hardship, communities face uncertainty, and the tourism sector suffers a temporary loss. But the planned reconstruction, the scale of the investment, and the company's stated long-term commitment offers a pathway toward a revitalized and more hurricane-resilient resort product. When the hotel reopens, they are likely to emerge stronger, more modern, and more competitive, while hopefully offering renewed employment opportunities to the Jamaican workers who made them successful in the first place. In the end, the story of Bahia Principe is not one of retreat, but of rebuilding. It is a reminder of Jamaica's vulnerability to climate shock, but also the resilience of its people and the enduring strength of the tourism industry. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.